Hi everyone, this is Chris, and today I'm going to show you how you can use auto replacements to greatly speed up editing your transcripts and automatically generated captions of your recordings. I have here a subtitle file for a podcast that I recently recorded, and as you can see, it does have some mistakes. The automatically generated transcript incorrectly spelled my name. Since I'm the host, I actually want this to be automatically corrected in the future. So I can do that by highlighting my name, clicking on the auto replacements button, and going ahead and adding the correct version of my name. I can do this with other examples too. This is another mistake where it should be capitalized and it's spelled differently than what the automatic captioner did. So I can build up this database of corrections, and over time, any new podcast recording or other content that I have that makes the same mistakes can be automatically fixed with just a click. And that really speeds up my workflow in generating these subtitle files for my recordings. So now, after I've added those to my database, I can click on Apply Auto Replacements, which is going to take my whole database of auto replacements and apply it to my document. So let's go ahead and click that. And you can see here, this is a replacement where it just removes the word. And so this is something that has removed, I think, 51 ums from the subtitle file, which is really nice. It saves me the effort of having to go there and clean up each one. Also, it looks like Christ and Jesus and Chris and Sunday all had lowercase versions that are now correctly uppercased, and so on and so forth with the additional things that I've added. And so this is a way, by building up our auto replacements over time, that you can save your effort whenever you want to edit future recordings. And the more that your database becomes complete, the less work you need to do to correct your transcripts in the future. So that's a quick preview. This feature of auto replacements is already available on your instance. Go ahead and give it a try and see how much time you save using this to transcribe your recordings.